Hello friends, DayiYang, 350 foot-pounds, brushless, $42. The cool thing about this one is it is 1/2 inch on the outside, and it does take 1/8 inch hex on the inside. There is no battery, you have to include your own. This should come out, it does, but let me show you. Pretty good. I'd say this is, if you're looking for a must-have tool, this would be the handiest impact driver you could get. Once again, let me repeat, 350 foot-pounds, 1/2 inch, 1/8 inch hex on the inside, $42, no battery. That is it, friends.